Welcome to WealthWise AI. Your money deserves to grow with clarity, confidence, and control. In a world full of confusion, we bring you simple, smart, and powerful financial wisdom. No noise, no fluff, just results. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future the AI way. Most people think becoming rich requires luck, high income, or inheritance. But in reality, it starts with small, smart habits repeated every single day. Let's explore 7 tiny habits that can make you rich in 2025, starting today. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Set aside 10% of every income you earn before spending anything. This simple habit builds discipline and automatic savings over time. Habit 2. Track every rupee or dollar. Knowing where your money goes is half the battle. Use any free app or spreadsheet, the goal is awareness, not perfection. Habit 3. Avoid bad debt. Credit card interest can silently kill your wealth. If you can't buy it in cash, don't buy it at all, unless it's for a productive asset. Habit 4. Learn one money concept weekly. Watch a video, read a book, or listen to a podcast. Wealthy people treat financial education as a lifelong habit. Habit 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate account every month. What's out of sight stays saved. Habit 6. Start investing with small amounts. Don't wait to get rich to start investing. Start with just 100 rupees or $10 and let compound interest do the work. Habit 7. Protect your focus. Most people waste hours scrolling. Wealthy people guard their time, energy, and attention like gold. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. Start small, stay consistent, let the wealth follow. Subscribe to WealthWise AI and let your money learn to grow.